am Iron Man.
And I'm Big Hat Dog. Me and Iron Man are gonna have a burping contest, yo, and I'm gonna so own him.
Retard, he thinks he can beat me.
I'll go first. I'm gonna own that stupid iron person.
You can't beat Iron Man.
You can't beat me, Iron Man. I'm the best.
I will not be defeated. I'm not gonna lose to that stupid little big hat guy. He has a little hat, it's not big. I'm made of freaking iron. I'm going to win this burping contest whether you like it or not. 'Cause big hat guy sucks.
Son, Iron Man. This is it. The final burp-off.
You can't stop me. I am Iron Man.
I did it, my home dogs, just like like I told you I would, yeah.
How could I lose to that little dork? He is a freaking idiot. Big head guy sucks.
I just beat Iron Man, dogs. What you got to say about me now?